My mom loves baking, and I remember as a kid sitting in a kitchen with my two brothers. She'll take out the ingredients, have the recipe ready, and mix the stuff together and help her to bake these cakes. But it's very specific. You need to follow the recipe. Otherwise, you're not going to have the perfect cake. And the same goes for our businesses. So as business leaders, we need to ask ourselves, if we want to scale our business and take it to the next level, do we have a recipe? Do we have the right recipe? There's a difference to scale your business and having 10x strategies to go there. And I want to ask you today to take out your strategy. I hope you have a strategy. If not, then take time. Get someone in to help you to build your strategy. And if you do have a strategy, maybe revisit that strategy. Put it in the furnace. Test it. Make sure that it is relevant to where you are today and where you want to go in the future. So make sure you've got that recipe to bake that amazing cake.